Good afternoon, class. Today we want to do a procedure we call ear syringing. So under ear syringing, we just want to remove any foreign body from the ear. For example, if a patient has come with ear impaction, we can remove it using the ear syringe. Or maybe you can say cerumen impaction or wax impaction, or perhaps it's a cockroach or an insect. So any foreign body that can be in the ear, we can push it out using this ear syringe. So we will see how we're going to draw water and how we're going to push like this. Okay, so we're going to draw water and push. So it's just like a syringe that we're going to use there. So let's now begin the procedure. We begin by hand washing. Okay, the same way. So we're just assuming this is a OSC, so you have to be very fast. So I come to Mr. Mulenga. Good morning, Mr. Mulenga. I am a student number 4. I've been assigned to do ear syringing. May I please go ahead? Okay, he has said I can go ahead. Anything I can do for you before I begin? Okay, he has said nothing. So at this moment, you can ask even just to check which ear has got a problem. If it's both, you can do both. Now in this case, he just said the insect only got into this ear. So only one ear. So I'm going to flash this one here. Okay, so let me just prepare. I'll be right back. So you can even wear gloves. Okay, so these are just examination gloves because it's a clean procedure. And then we are using just warm water. So this is warm water. Okay, warm water plus just clean gloves. So you can wear the gloves. And you can ask Mr. Mulenga to sit up so that you do the procedure properly. So Mr. Mulenga, may you please sit up? So Mr. Mulenga can sit up. Okay, this glove is done. Let me just get another. So Mr. Mulenga, can you sit up please? So Mr. Mulenga is able to sit up. So thank you very much. So be able to flush your ear using water. That's what we're going to do. So at this moment you can put an incontinence sheet there to act just as a bib so that this linen should not be soiled. Then you can also put a towel. If you want to put a towel, you can put just this as a reinforcement, or you can just put an incontinence sheet. You can choose either a towel or an incontinence sheet. So you can put one so that you don't soil the linen. Then since you have hot water, you can now get the hot water, just the way we do with any other syringe. So you can just aspirate. Okay. Okay. So after you do that, then you have to go with the receiver. So what you do is, since kidney dish follows this shape here, you can ask him to hold this receiver like this, so that water does not go on the beddings, but at least there's an incontinence sheet, but he has to hold it this side so that this angle here of the kidney dish follows the cheek like this. So what you do is you have to put the syringe. So my assistant just hold for me. You can just hold for me the receiver. Okay. So my assistant is holding the receiver in this case. So it's Mr. Mulenga. We assume. So then what you do is you have to hold this ear like this. Then you're supposed to put your fingers there so that you have a good grip. Okay, just there and then here, so that you have a good grip to push. So how it will appear when you push in the ear, it will be like this, that pressure, so that it pushes out the foreign body which is in the ear. So you can put it there, then just push from there. But as you can see, there's some space which is being left this side, so that when you push in there in the meatus, meaning the foreign body will come out from this side. So you have to put the ear and then push in the water like this. So as you push in, you'll be able to see that some foreign body will be coming out, or some foreign material. So how, like I said, when you push it will be appearing like this under high pressure. So this is warm water, it will be appearing like this, so that when you push it has to come out from there. So this is what you do with ear syringing. It's quite a simple procedure, but very helpful. So after you've done that, you've pushed in, then the foreign body has come out. What you do is you get gauze and just dry this part. Okay, When you dry it, then you can even now go ahead and thank Mr. Mlenga. Thank you very much, Mr. Mlenga, for allowing me to do this procedure. I was doing this procedure so that I remove the foreign body from the ear. So if you feel any irritation or discomfort, kindly do come and see us. And then this procedure causes disturbance with balance, so you need to just know that when you lose balance, it may be this procedure, but if it prolongs, really you have to just come back and have a checkup. Okay. So after that, you can even tell Mr. Mlenga to sit, because you told him to sit up. Now you can just, if he wants, he can sit or he can lie down. So he can choose whichever position he wants, because he's fine. It's just the foreign body which was in the ear. So you have to go to the in-charge and report. Thank you very much, my in-charge. I've done the procedure on Mr. Mlenga, and foreign material has been removed from the ear, and I've documented. So meaning you document in the file for Mr. Mlenga that the procedure has been done. Then lastly, you have to go and wash hands. So under OSC, the procedures are quite simple. You just have to be very fast and ensure that you follow the steps, and just try to do as many procedures as possible, so that at least you'll be very acquainted with most of OSC procedures. Thank you very much for watching, and keep practicing.